Hello everyone, I'm just going to make a quick video to show you how to make a chart out of your data if you don't know how to do it already. Basically, the key thing is having good headings for your data, and again you can change this later, but if you have good headings this will automatically show up on your chart. So you highlight your headings and the information, and then you go to Insert and Chart. Now, it will choose what it thinks is the best chart for you, but if it didn't choose scatter chart, you can go up here and you can find scatter chart down here. So scatter. Okay, now your information, you notice it already put in distance in kilometers here, time in minutes, and actually labeled the chart time in minutes versus distance in kilometers. So if you don't need to change that, you could just leave it like that. Otherwise, you can go to Customize, and here you can change, for example, the chart title. You could change other things here, but the key thing is to go to Series, and if you notice in here, the series is actually the data. You could do error bars. We're not doing those, but what we're going to do is do this trend line. That's going to create the line that that best fits the information we have. So here's our trend line like this. So we're just going to leave that like that. And then to move this over to your report, all you have to do is close this out, click on the chart, click on these three dots, copy the chart, then go to your document, and this would be, for example, you'd have, and then here you could just paste it in. So edit, paste. And make sure you link it to the spreadsheet in case you change the information in there. And there you go. Okay, so that's how you would do that.